In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to add a watermark to images in Canva. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Canva account, and you will either be taken to the home dashboard or the templates dashboard. Now, from wherever you are, navigate over to the left-hand column of menu options and click on projects. Now, when you do that, Canva will present all of the projects that you're currently working on. So what you need to do is navigate over to the project with the image that you'd like to add a watermark to and click on it. And when you do that, Canva will open this project in a new window inside of Canva's design editor. Now, once you have it open, simply just click on the image and navigate over to the left-hand column of options. Click on apps, and from there click into the search bar and type in Watermark Maker and hit enter on your keyboard. And when you do that, you'll be presented with a long list of apps. So now you want to click on Watermark Maker. And when you do that, you'll get a little description about the app and what it does, as well as permissions that the app will require. So after you've been through all of that, click on open. And once it is open on the left-hand side of your screen, you will be able to add different types of watermarks in the watermark section. So if you want text, then what you need to do is click into the field, remove the current default text, and add your new text, and you'll see it in the preview window above. And below the watermark text field, you will have different icons that you can add, different trademark and copyright icons. So select the one that you like, and you'll also be able to change the font style. So let's say we want to use Montserrat, as well as the size of the watermark using the minus and the plus symbols, or you can click into the value field and add a new value. And then next to that, there's a color palette where you can also select the color of your watermark text. And as you can see in the preview, that's what it will look like. You can also edit the opacity of the watermark, and you can change the layout if you want to have it just as one standalone text, or if you want to have it in a grid format or a staggered layout. You can also change the spacing as well as the rotation of the watermark, as you can see in the preview. And then finally, you can decide to add the watermark only to your current page or to multiple pages, where you will be prompted to select pages. You can also, instead of using text, do a logo watermark, and you also have the option to do a signature watermark. But let's just for now stick to text. I'm going to do a standalone layout, and you also have the option to add dotted watermark lines if you wish to. And once you're done, simply just click on generate. And now here is the standalone watermark. If you don't like that, you can come back to the editing options and let's select grid. Come down to generate, click on generate, and it'll generate a grid of watermarks for us, and you can move the watermark around on your image and come back to the editing options if there's anything that you don't like. And if you'd like to add those watermark lines, you can simply click on that toggle, come back here and click on generate, and it'll now have watermark lines. If you do not like them, you can simply turn them off, click generate again. Sorry about that. You can actually just delete those watermarks. There we go. So that is how you create a watermark for images in Canva. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and if there's anywhere where you struggled during the process or any questions that you may have, please feel free to leave them in the comment section of the video and I will respond to them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the video.